Hey, what's up now all around? It's your girl Sammy Smiles back with another video. Today we're visiting Vegas, baby, and I hope you guys join us for the ride because we're going to have a great time. So we're here at Mandalay Bay. We finally arrived safe and sound, and now I'm going to give you guys a room tour of our fabulous room. It is room 9125. All right, so this is the entrance. So this is the full scale mirror here when you first walk in. Then you have your work desk and lamp. Turn on this light here so you can better sight of that. 2 queen size beds. Then you have your drawers for your clothes. And then here is the mini fridge. But with this mini fridge, it has already like stocked up for drinks and wine. So if you pull it out, you will get charged that price to your room. Even if you touch it, they're going to charge you. Same thing goes for this stuff here. So don't touch it unless you want to buy it. So we got the TV here, coffee, big lamp, a little end table so you can sit down and relax. Probably enjoy the wine that's in that refrigerator. So this is our view of our room, and that's the Allegiant Stadium. I wish I was over there a few months ago when WrestleMania was in town. Boy, I didn't have the money to pay up for that. Over $1,000, heck no. But maybe next year, because they're coming back. But that view is fantabulous. I love it. You can see the other tower over here. And then we got the thermostat, which they're gonna call me Frosty the Snowman. Okay, they're gonna call me Polar Bear because I'm gonna keep this sucker low. It's gonna be so cold in here because Vegas heat is like no other. It's gonna be over 100 degrees for the days that we're gonna be here, so I'm gonna keep this sucker low. And then of course, like I mentioned, we got 2 beds, one for me, the other one for me. She's gonna have to figure that out. So sorry to tell you that. I'm gonna work it out. I'm gonna bend it over on both sides of the bed. So. And then in the middle, we got our end table, got our phone, a little notepad. We got 2 charger ports here. And then this is like a clock that also have a USB, if you have a USB cord as well. And then our drawer, normally a Bible be hanging out in there, but I noticed that they don't have Bibles anymore. So that would have been the spot it would have been at. And then a little bit of extra space on the bottom here. And like I mentioned before, there's 2 closets. One closet has a safe in it. And then the other one just got hangers and luggage stand for your luggage. And this one has the iron and iron board. So fancy. But this fabulous bathroom, I gotta show you guys. All right, so this is the tub, and the tub is outside, like it's separate. That's what I love about Mandalay Bay. You got the shower here, you got the tub here, you got this beautiful picture. You have your full wall mirror here, dual sinks. So basically, she can brush her teeth. I can brush my teeth at the same time. You got your towels, blow dryer, mirror for makeup. Then separate toilet room for you to use the toilet, and it's closed off, leather painting. So if somebody in here doing something, you can go right in here, use the bathroom, and you don't have to wait for them to get out. And then, like I said, the shower, you have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. and some more towels. So that's the room tour for room 9125 for Mandalay Bay. Like I said, this is really, really nice. But this is one of my bucket list hotels, and I'm glad I'm able to finally check in at Mandalay Bay. So I'm gonna definitely check into different hotels, hopefully soon, when I come back on my multiple visits to Vegas. So. I'm gonna go to the ABC store, see what we got going on over here. They got some fresh fruit, and that's what I'm talking about. And they got liquor. So they got liquor stores in Detroit. This is totally different. They got souvenirs and more liquor up front. My daughter Kiki would love this Hello Kitty stuff. They got a lot of Hello Cookie. My daughter Kiki would love this Hello Kitty merchandise. They got a lot of Hello Kitty stuff. I really like that. More Hello Kitty stuff. It's like Hello Kitty out. It's the 50th anniversary. So they got so much Hello Kitty merchandise. They got some over there too. So cute. That is cute. Throw it in the cart. Just throw it in the cart. I get an S for Sammy Smiles right here. Mine is the devil, but everything else looking cool. So we heading up to the high roller. This is my first time ever going on the high ball. I always wanted to go with my family, but they always chicken out. So I'm glad me and my girl can finally go. Heading over to the high roller now. Alright, this is my first time on the high roller. It's in the Link Promenade, and this is my first time ever on there. It's really, really nice. I really wish I could have did it at night, but they wanted to charge way more at night, and I went on Groupon.
It was like almost triple for a night. Double or triple, wasn't it?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. I think we spent $40-ish on this on Groupon, and it was real easy. And I really like it. Let me do it like a full.
Yeah, it's pretty big. This could easily fit like a good 20 people.
Oh yeah.
Maybe more.
Like TVs. It's real dope. And then they got a little seating area, and then they also have like a happy hour for like the time. Like there's a different package. And I think that's like a little bit more, but it's for like the whole duration of your little time on the high roller. Let me look at this view. I really wanted to do this at night so you can see the view, guys, but this is good. You know me, I like my views. If you've seen my Cedar Point Halloween Ferris wheel video, you know I like to get up high.
See the city from the top.
Yep, there's the Link. Harris.
Oh, get the dome.
And then there's the Sphere. Sphere? What? How did I say it?
No, I said.
Oh, okay. I like, did I say it wrong? No, and then there's the Flamingo, the OG MMO up there.
I thought it was gonna look different.
It's old school. Flamingo got a lot of history.
I do like how the windows have the pink, like a metallic tint.
Yeah.
That's pretty. But I feel like the sun, like, is the sign light up at night?
Yeah.
Okay.
This whole strip is gonna light up, honey.
Yeah, because it looks really
like Christmas. It's gonna be gorgeous, and then you got
so
Caesars.
So we gonna have to be out here at nighttime and just have a little look-see around.
Yeah, absolutely. You know me. You know me.
Suitcases packed, the sun is about to rise. Things in the luggage, ready to take off. Towards the desert, to the unparalleled brightness.
It's a better view of the strip. Oh, Mirage. Oh. It's gonna be Hard Rock Hotel now. Oh, I love to jump in that pool right now, boy. Woo!
Is that link?
Yes, that's the link right here. Then it's Caesars. Hi, Caesar. And Treasure Island. I don't think I mentioned that. Where are you at? Okay, there's Treasure Island right there. Okay. Then all down yonder is our hotel, Mandalay Bay.
That's ours right there?
All the way at the end, yep. Then you got Flamingo, like I mentioned, Cosmo.
What water is that? That's the Flamingo right there? See all the water?
This is the Flamingo, yeah.
With all the cabanas?
Yep. They actually just renovated their pool
Oh.
this year. And I think it opened earlier this month or the tail end of May, I believe.
That's bigger than what I thought.
Yep, it's real nice. Made it to the promenade so we can eat some delicious InNOut burger. Trying to find it now. Got Your House, Maxie's. Me sorry. What prices you trying to look at?
I don't know. I couldn't find it.
Then yes, yes. Finally made it to InNOut. I've been wanting to go here for ages. So cute. Finally made it to the famous InNOut. Got a side of fries, cheeseburger, drink. I'm about to try this sucker out and see how good it is.
Yes, 58 and 59, please. 58 and 59.
This is good. Crispy bun, Thousand Island dressing. Explode in your mouth. I give it an A++++. Oh, I should have known better with the title, InNOut. That was gonna be good. It was good. Heading over to the ice bar next. Get us a drink or two. We'll see what the night takes us.
So super quick, your cups are going to be made out of ice in there, so you want to hang on to them with both hands. If you set the cup down, make sure it goes down on a coaster, so inside off the break. If you want a second and third drink, take the same.
Look, I'm gonna be real lame and say this is real cold. Look at that. Polar bear. Oh, my doggy polar bear. Texas Chainsaw Massacre for real. You want Leatherface? Yeah, he gonna literally tear your butt up for real. And then just for reference, my dog name was Polar Bear. That's why I said it. King Kong. Oh, look at his arm. Got a volcano, pirate ship. This is real cool. Real different. This is really nice. I'm gonna get the Kahlua with whipped cream and Reese's. But they have a lot of other ones listed here. Quick shot of the menu. They are a cashless bar, so just keep that in mind if you guys decide to come visit this place. Go ahead and try this boozy hot chocolate. This make you real hot. It's good though. Good. Let's pop the lid. Let's pop the lid and see what's underneath.
I got a gourmet hot chocolate. It has peppermint, Reese's, Cool Whip in there. I skipped the alcohol this time.
Bad girl, bad girl. In Vegas, you put the whole alcohol in the cup. All right? You don't leave it at the bar. The whole bottle. That's the minimum. Next time.
We still gotta hit the other lounge.
Exactly. This is so cool. I'm so happy that I came here. Made a pit stop at the Horseshoe, so this is my mama's favorite game, which is Keno, and she wanted to play, so I was like, you know what, mama, I got you. I'm in Vegas, why not? We decided to go eat at Citizens since we was too tired to do anything else. Long day, had no rest, dogs are barking, and he was like, you know what? Let's go downstairs and grab some food at Citizens and go back upstairs and chill out because we really didn't have a chance to like relax since we got off the airplane. This the menu here.
See, I know. Spanish artichoke dip is $17.
And this look delicious. Maybe because we didn't eat since InNOut Burger, I would say that's the reason. I'm exhausted. Like, I'm super tired. I may look fabulous still. Thank you. I love the compliments, but I am really tired. I don't know if you can tell by my face. I'm exhausted. It's her fault. Blame her. Blame her. You look great too. I like how you look at me. You look great.
It's the yellow. It's yellow because I'm through.
Calling yourself yellow now?
I'm through. No, I'm talking about this. My shirt.
I know. I was messing with you. Got the order. Brought it back to the room. So the fries is huge. It was $9. Huge portion. The chicken, on the other hand, it looked good. Hopefully it tastes good. I believe the chicken was like, what was it? How much was your chicken? I forgot. I think it was like $19. This ain't $19 worth of chicken. But I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. Let's try this out real quick. Sorry about the light. It's alright. Not worth $19, but it'll do. It'll do. For $19, it should have been better than that.
I really shouldn't be eating.
It's okay.
But I don't care right now. Don't tell nobody that I'm being tricked.
It's good, but not $19 good. That's a wrap on day one in Vegas, baby. I know you guys had a great time. Make sure you hit that like button, comment about your Vegas experiences, and subscribe. And as usual, I hope you guys have a great day and take care. Peace.